Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I need my phone so I can call my people.
Okay.
We're on Interstate 95 in Florida. The limit here is 70, and traffic is usually flying. So when this Buick is spotted doing barely 25, it's not just a slow drive. It's a massive hazard and a recipe for a high-speed wreck.
Vehicle's only doing about 25 miles an hour. And they're still trying to do something here. Hello.
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 Are you okay? Let me get that red cup right there. What's in that red cup? Let me see it.
Empty.
It was something.
No, it was Hennessy, but empty.
But it's empty now. But it was Hennessy because it's 2 of those cups.
It's my birthday.
Is your birthday? Well, happy birthday.
Ah, the classic birthday card defense. She actually thinks the law takes a night off just because she is a year older. Too bad for her. The police do not hand out party favors on the interstate.
The reason I asked you to get out of the car.
I know. You don't have to tell me. I know. My dad, my uncles is the
Okay, I need you to keep your hands down for me, but I gotta tell you anyway. I was already concerned about your driving.
Because I was swerving.
Well, and not even driving fast at all. 25.
I was driving slow.
Too slow. Dangerously slow. Dangerously slow. Should you have been driving?
No.
All right, because how many of those cups of Hennessy's did you have? Those are some pretty big solo cups.
2.
2 of those solo cups?
But that's why I asked you, can you at least follow me halfway?
No, I cannot do that.
Yes, you can.
No, I cannot do that.
I'm only halfway up the street.
Can't do that. All right, well, look.
I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I got to keep an eye on those cars.
No, I know.
Uh-huh.
I'm sober. You feel
You're
me?
sober.
I'm good. But if you want to make sure that I'm safe, come follow me.
I can't do that. That's not how it works. Okay?
Talk about a massive sense of entitlement. She actually thinks the officer is her personal chauffeur. It is clear that the liquor has taken over, and common sense has completely left the building.
One of the things that we do for these investigations.
This road, this I-95.
Is not somewhere to drive 25 miles an hour.
Yeah, but listen.
Okay? The key point here is dangerously slow.
Okay.
And then when I come up and talk to you, I can clearly tell you've been drinking.
Yeah.
So now that I have you out
It's my birthday.
I understand, but let me explain this. And now that I have you out of the vehicle, I have to advise you of your rights because I'm going to be conducting a DUI investigation. You understand that?
I understand that.
Okay.
Why you want to lock me up?
No, I'm doing my job.
You want to lock me up?
Okay? So, 2 things I got to explain.
You want to lock me up?
Listen, are you willing to do the field sobriety exercise?
You want to lock me
Okay.
up?
You should not have been driving.
Why?
Because you've been drinking.
We all been drinking.
The classic group defense. She is trying to make drunk driving sound like a team sport. Newsflash, crime is not a group activity.
We've all been drinking? I have not been drinking.
Not yet.
Nope.
Not yet.
All right. So I explained that to you. You understand, okay? So at this point, what's going to happen is I am going to place you under arrest now for DUI.
Why?
I already explained that. I need you to turn around, put your hands behind your back for me, please. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Interlock your fingers for me, please.
Why you want to arrest me though?
I really don't want to,
I don't want
but
to.
you know what? I need to make sure everybody's safe on the road, including you.
Hey.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I need my phone so I can call my people.
Okay, hold
Cause
on.
you got me up.
Let me go get the phone. Okay?
Yeah. No, don't go in my car.
I gotta go get your phone, right?
I can go get my
No,
phone.
you can't.
I got my cuffs on.
No.
Yeah, you can't either. You talking about?
This case is a stark reminder that on the highway, driving dangerously slow is just as lethal as speeding. A birthday is a time for celebration, but it is never a license to put other lives at risk. Do you think the officer handled this situation correctly? Or should he have given her a break since it was her big day? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more deep dives into the psychology behind the badge, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We appreciate you being here. As always, the suspect is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Thanks for watching, and stay safe on the road.